Yes, we could say there are two broad categories that people, or two broad groups of contacts that we get. One is that we get contacted by some of the big consultancies, and they need specialist skills that they're short of. So they reach out to Value Glide to help them because we've worked with them before. They know our track record, and because we deliver results, it's good for us, it's good for them. That's one route that we get contacted. The other route is that the customer or the potential customer, the prospect, has either tried Agile by themselves or they've been using other services to help them, but they got a problem right now. And that problem could be as simple as, hey, they need a facilitator for a couple of days of PI planning. They reach out to us and we can help them with that. Sometimes it is that they either need a Scrum Master to be embedded in their team to show, if you like, to coach the Scrum Masters that they already have, to upskill them, bring them up to up to another level of performance. And it's not about just going to a training class. It's about on the job, coaching them, mentoring them day by day kind of thing. And sometimes that is a full-time. By full-time, I mean like 5 days a week, but sometimes that is like 2 or 3 days a week. Observe, sort of provide the feedback, watch, let them do it on their own, and then go back and check again. So those are sort of other things, other ways that we get, if you like, requested in. The other thing is, we get either you are delivery responsibilities, you have delivery responsibilities. So you are aiming to launch a product to the market, and for whatever reason, that is not going as you expected. And either that is because the work is being slowed down, or you have a suspicion that maybe you haven't organized yourselves in the right way, you have too many dependencies, there are too many delays. That's another way that we get engaged. Sometimes it's about the lean portfolio management. You're heading up a lean or a portfolio management office, and you need help with making sure that your KPIs are going to get more on track than they are right now. Or it could be that we want to set up a lean agile center of excellence. We've got this transformation, or we have ambition to transform our organization, or have transformed. We just need to take our lean agile center of excellence up to the next notch. So if you like, is a combination of consulting to go and help diagnose the problem and let the client carry on with it. There's an element of come and help us as embedded experts. So we're there, we're coaching, guiding, providing the consultancy on an ongoing but reasonably short term, because the idea is that we transfer knowledge and we enable the clients to be self-sufficient.